Hi, my name is Mora, and I'm going to talk about the Holacracy model. Well, first of all, what is Holacracy? And is a corporate governance model where members of a team or a circle of a business they get together in order to accomplish tasks and company goals. The main characteristic about a Holacracy model is the authority is decentralized and it's distributed across all these circles. Since we rely on each other on this governance model, there has to be very good communication and also assertiveness. We will define assertiveness as a soft skill, and this soft skill will help you to express your opinions positively and with confidence, and also will help you to communicate without hurting others. Some concepts that are important in this holacracy model are double linking and link roles. Double linking is where the information flows from circle to circle, just like the image. And this is to ensure that the organization operates cohesively and we are all pursuing the same goals. This information needs to be as clear as possible. That's why communication and acceptance are important. And link roles are people that will encourage to clear and transparent process for proposing and implementing changes. Once again, we see the word transparent, which is very important when we talk about communication and assertiveness. Well, this is just to improve communication through autonomous role, distributed decision making, and in order to promote cross-functional collaboration, which is expected in holacracy. So what about the team decision making? We need to understand the characteristics of it. And first of all, as I said before, the power is decentralized. The decision making is faster because you don't have to consult like so many levels of power on the company. There's something called go role to role, which means you will only consult people that will be affected by this decision. Employee empowerment, since they just don't follow rules, they take and they make decisions. They understand and they feel empowered by making these decisions. So they understand their impact on their circle and the organization. And this has proved to be great and to lead to job satisfaction and engagement. Accountability and ownership. Well, since employees are expected to make their ownership of the decisions, they need the ownership, and they need to understand how these decisions will affect others. Also, the leadership, for example, is not always the same. Since you can be part of more than one circle, every circle will function different. And also the circles will change as the work changes, as the team creates and redefines new rules. And it's very important to say that it's not a democracy. Not everybody has to agree on the decision, but for example, if someone brings a decision on the table, um, this decision can be adopted unless another member objects on the ground that they will harm the circle, the company, or someone inside the circle. And the KPIs, this is where I will use the sample example. They have 100 points, and for example, if we will use a person that is named Susan. Susan has 100 points, and she knows that she has very good skills on marketing and on sales. So she decides to make two activities. One that is 50 points, a sales related activity, and the other one it's a marketing decision. No, sorry, it's a marketing activity which is valued on 40 points. So she now has spent her 100 points. And it can be also across multiple teams, as I previously mentioned. And the goal for this is that employees will fill their time with valuable roles and they will use all their skill sets and what they are good at. And well, also this point system must be aligned with the goals of organization and people skills. So how has the holacracy changed Zappos culture? First of all, we need to understand the Zappos culture is a custom-oriented service culture, and well, employees are not just employees; they are called Zapopians. It's totally goal-oriented and totally, as I already said, customer service-oriented, and also based on the belief that it's possible for customers or employees to be simultaneously satisfied and fulfilled. They are looking to have happy recipients in order to have greater results, and their mission is to wow the customer, as I already said, customer service. And they also have another company, the Zappos director created Zappos Insight, which is a company that sells and that trains other people in order to have this customer service base related. Also, something important to say is that they still use the phone calls. All the customer service go through phone calls or through people instead of chat box. And well, how will I start to use it? Holacracy management style. First of all, I will use this company. This company that we work on. It's a software development company. And first of all, honestly, I will contact the experts by Sapo Insight and maybe hire a workshop for all the plugins and another workshop for the now the leadership. Then I will create a holacracy constitution, which will be the basic principles and practices of this new holacracy. And this must be with the help of the employees, which will now be called Naboritos. Also, I will divide the organization into circles, for example, product manager, marketing, sales, customer support, and finance. Then I will use a suppose example and I will create activities and the point-based ratings to define the key PIs. Last but not least, make it legal. That's very important for me to review with the company lawyer and the RH department about the compensation packages, performance evaluations, employment contracts, because they will now have to sign a new contract with the new KPIs and the new bonuses, etc. And well, just implement it on the whole organization and create a new organization culture. Thank you.